Hi, I'm Luke, and this is the Church Video Guide channel where we talk about how to minimize mistakes so we can create quality content consistently. In this video, I wanted to share some insight into making a great testimonial video. And these aren't limited to churches. This is anytime someone is giving their side of a story. That's all. Someone sharing their story of going to an event, trying a new vacuum, watching the movie Flight of the Navigator for the first time. Testimony covers a wide range of topics. We won't talk about gear specifically. We're going to focus mainly on asking the right questions so the story captured is accurate and will be relatable to as many people as possible. Ready? Great. Let's go. Each one of these questions is meant to feel relatable to someone. The bulk of your audience should feel like they are at one of these stages or has gone through that stage, and hearing someone share helps them connect with the story. Your instinct might be to jump in and add more to these questions, but try not to. If the question becomes too wordy, it can get confusing and you might force an answer that's not genuine. If they are confused by the question, try to have a succinct answer, like 2 sentences. You might want to give a long example or have a long-winded response, but 99% of the time, the person will have forgotten the question by the time you're done, so you'll have to ask the question again anyways. And you have pulled them out of their story and into yours. That's not the goal, so we try and be intentional with our questions and with our responses. Have someone taking notes so that if they stumble over any key phrases that you want to repeat, you can ask that at the end. Now, before asking the first question, it's good to thank them for being there, calm their nerves, make sure they have water, and point out something you like about them. Like their hair looks nice, or their story is powerful, or you are excited for people to hear their story. This gives an extra boost of confidence right before the first question, which is, what was your life like before this happened? Like, I was dealing with depression, or I was lonely and having a hard time with my family, or I just moved in from out of town. This sets up our scene so that people who are in that same stage of life can connect. Next question. How did you feel about blank before this happened? Now we fill in the blank with whatever. How did you feel about God? How did you feel about this product? How did you feel about this event? Feelings resonate with more people than specifics. That's why we ask questions about emotions. Not everyone has had a dad walk out, but everyone has felt hurt by the decision made by someone else. Next question. What led to blank happening? Again, fill it in with whatever. What led to you going to the event? Or what led you to trying this product? What led you to joining a small group for the first time? We are looking for the catalyst of the event. Next question. What happened and what were your emotions as it happened? This is the actual thing that happened. I went to the event and I was surprised by how much fun I had. I accepted Christ and it felt like I had potential again. We pair the event with emotions to, again, connect with people and give them something that sounds either attractive to them or at least relatable. Next question. What has changed and how does that make you feel? I met people at the event and it's nice to be reminded of community. Or since I took this class, I have felt more confident. What has changed is the selling point for a lot of people. But the bulk of us are looking for a change in our mental state, so acknowledging the emotional change is more captivating to a lot more people. And then the last question, what's next? Keep this question vague. How the person has answered thus far will get them thinking about their own personal application and their own journey. Sometimes this question doesn't hit on every topic, but sometimes it's nice to cast vision for the future. And that's it. That usually does it. You can ask some follow-up questions, but keep in mind that emotionally reliving an event can sometimes really be exhausting. So, be honoring of people's time. If they have stumbled over a few key phrases, now's the time to go back and repeat those. Have them say them again and try to make sure that they say it right, but don't push them too hard. Don't have them say it more than 1 or 2 times. It doesn't need to be perfect. Like, ums and ahs are actually not deal breakers. Most can be cut out in post. But if the person has a lot of these and you notice while you're filming that they're saying a lot of ums and ahs, make a note while you're filming and capture some extra B-roll after you're done. Or you can ask for photos that you can use in the video of anything that can kind of cover up the edits in post-production. And there you go. If these questions were helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos in the future, and tell others about this channel that could use some help in their video content. Leave a comment below if you would change the wording on any of these questions, or if you would add or take away any of them. Cool. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.